We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Gitus magnetic dartboard. This product has captured the attention of parents, teens, and even office workers as a fun, safe, and versatile game option. If you own this dartboard, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's dive into what users love and what could be improved about this product. The Gitus magnetic dartboard is designed with safety and enjoyment in mind. It is made from high-quality nylon material with a strong magnetic surface that ensures darts stick firmly without falling off. This eliminates the risk of sharp darts damaging walls or causing injuries, making it an excellent choice for families with children. The magnetic darts are available in 4 vibrant colors, adding a fun visual element to gameplay, while also allowing multiple players to keep track of their scores easily. One of the standout features of this dartboard is its classic design. It retains the traditional dartboard pattern and gameplay style, but replaces sharp-tipped darts with magnetic ones for enhanced safety. Users have praised this thoughtful design, noting that it allows them to enjoy the timeless game of darts without worrying about potential hazards. The included instructions make it easy for beginners to understand the rules and start playing right away, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. Measuring 15 inches in width and 18 inches in height, this dartboard is compact enough to fit into various spaces, from bedrooms to game rooms and even offices. It comes packaged in a beautiful gift box, making it an excellent gift option for birthdays, holidays, or other special occasions. The lightweight design also makes it portable, allowing users to take it outdoors for backyard gatherings or picnics. Many users have highlighted how much their children enjoy playing with this dartboard. Parents appreciate that their kids can practice their aim and coordination skills without putting holes in the walls or endangering themselves with sharp darts. It has been described as a great way to keep kids entertained indoors while also fostering friendly competition among family members. Some parents even mentioned that they purchased additional sets for themselves after seeing how much fun their children were having. This product isn't just for kids, it has also found fans among adults. Several reviewers noted that they use it as a stress reliever during work breaks or as a fun activity during social gatherings. Its versatility makes it suitable for various settings, including offices, parties, and family game nights. One user shared how they initially bought it for their job, but ended up enjoying it so much that they started using it at home as well. Durability is another aspect where the Gitus magnetic dartboard shines. Users have reported that both the dartboard and the darts hold up well over time, even with frequent use. The strong magnets ensure that the darts stick securely to the board without sliding off, enhancing the overall gameplay experience. This reliability has led many customers to describe it as a good value for its price. However, no product is without its drawbacks. While most users were satisfied with the magnetic strength of the darts, a few mentioned that they occasionally had trouble getting them to stick perfectly if not thrown at the right angle. This issue seemed more common among younger children who are still developing their throwing skills. Additionally, some users wished that the dartboard came with a stand or mounting hardware to make setup even more convenient. Another minor critique was related to its size. While its compact dimensions make it easy to store and transport, some users felt that a larger dartboard would provide an even better experience, especially for group play or competitive matches. Despite these minor concerns, the overwhelming majority of reviews were positive, with users praising its safety features, durability, and entertainment value. The Gitus magnetic dartboard has also been lauded as an excellent decor piece for game rooms or bedrooms when not in use. Its sleek design and vibrant colors add a playful yet stylish touch to any space. One reviewer mentioned how they leave it up as decor when not playing because it blends seamlessly with their room's aesthetic. Overall, this product has proven to be a hit among families, teens, and adults alike. Its combination of safety, durability, and classic gameplay makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to add some fun to their home or office. Whether you're buying it as a gift or for personal use, you're likely to find that this dartboard delivers on its promise of providing hours of entertainment without compromising on safety. If you're considering purchasing this item or already own one, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a review in the comments below to share your experience and help others decide if this product is right for them. Don't forget, the link to purchase is in the description above. Using it supports our channel and helps us bring you more reviews like this one.